Hi guys, this is Zsolt. In today's video we are going to check out the ADBL Yellowstone glass cleaner towel, which I received from automoshowebshop.hu. However, it's not a paid advert. You are going to hear and see my honest opinion as usual. Obviously, I'm going to try it on the glass surfaces inside and out, and we'll see what's happening. Let's roll.
I'm looking for a way inside your mind. It's a haze of mysteries. All I see is smoke and mirrors and the reflecting memories. I need to figure out how things are twined. The ropes are choking us. If only I could blow away the heavy clouds up in our sky.
Alright, boys and girls, that was the ADBL Yellowstone glass cleaning towel. I understand the reason behind, because when I used it, the other side did not get wet, because in between the two layers or two sides there is a third layer. But in my opinion, this one is a bit over-engineered, and it's a solution for a problem that doesn't exist. Because the problem, I suppose, is that when you clean the glass, then the towel is getting wet. But there is a very easy solution: use two towels. So for me, it's a bit over-engineered. In return, it's also very, let's say, rigid, and compared to just a standard glass cleaning waffle weave towel, it's considerably heavier. I'm not saying it's 5 kilos, but it's much heavier than a standard towel. So all in all, I don't think this product is necessary. It works, but it's a bit cumbersome to use. And as I said, for me, it's a bit over-engineered. But other than that, that concludes the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so you're not going to miss any of my upcoming videos. I'd like to say a big thank you for your time and catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.